Unit 1 1.1 Life. Poetess Charlotte Bronte. This is a motivating poem. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Of a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. The poetess takes a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream as the sages say. Instead, a little rain in the morning tells us that a day ahead is very, very pleasant. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Sometimes there are dark clouds, but these are all temporary. If a little rain helps the roses to blossom, why should we feel unhappy about it? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerfully, enjoy them as they fly. The happy hours of our life fly by very quickly. We must enjoy them happily. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? We must accept it if at times death takes away the people we love most. That time we may feel that sorrow seems to be winning over hope. Yet, hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. So don't be upset, because hope will again spring up like elastic. It is undefeated. The golden wings of hope are still strong to help us to rise. Manfully, fearlessly the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. We must face our days of difficulties fearlessly. Only this can help us to end our sadness. So, dear student, take a positive view, especially during the periods of hardships and difficulties.